data in Excel, I would like to give a overview of what we will discuss today. As shown on the slide, we will review the sales weekly meeting, include your sales progress issue and whether the target will achieve or not. Now, let's take a closer look at the weekly target sheet to understand the data more clearly. For number one, this is the first week, and the product is James Honey Handbag Olivia with a monthly quantity of 300 pieces. The customer is A, and the purchase order for November 25 is 200 pieces. The forecast is 250 pieces, and the realization is 220 pieces, and the balance is minus 30, meaning the target was not reached, and the issue here is still delay delivery. The action plan is follow up supplier speed up delivery. The PIC is processing and due date in November to 2025. The next item is James Honey Backpack Elma with a monthly quantity of 100 active pieces. The customer is NSR, and purchase order for November 25 is 100 active pieces. The forecast is 100 active pieces. The realization is 100 active pieces, and the balance is zero. And the issue here is still delivery, and the action plan is coordination of tracking schedule, and the PIC is logistic, and the due date in November 3, 2025. The next item is James Honey Sling Bag Nala with a monthly quantity of 200 pieces. The customer is KAS, and the purchase order for November 25 is 150 pieces. The forecast is 170 pieces, and the realization is 160 pieces, and the balance is minus 10, meaning the target was not reached. And the issue here is delay delivery. The action plan is back opening production priority, and the PIC is production due date in November for 2025. From number two, this is the second week. The product is James Honey Handbag Hera with a monthly quantity for 200 active pieces. The customer is RDM, and the purchase order for November 25 is 200. The forecast is 230, and the realization is 220 pieces, and the balance is minus 10, meaning the target was not reached, and the issue here is still delivery. The action plan is adding packing shift, and the PIC is PPIC. The due date in November 9, 2025. The next item is James Honey Tote Bag Emma with a monthly quantity of 320 pieces, and the customer is NNA. The purchase order for November 25 is 250 pieces. The forecast is 200 active pieces, and the realization is 270 pieces. The balance is minus 10, meaning the target was not reached, and the issue here is delivery. The action plan is revision of supplier lead time, and the PIC is purchasing due date in November 10, 2025. The next item is James Honey Bucket Baklava with a monthly quantity of 260 pieces. The customer is APN, and the purchase order for November 25 is 200. The forecast is 213. The realization is 200, and the balance is minus 30, meaning the target was not reached, and the issue here is delay delivery. The action plan is double check the QC process, and the PIC is QC. and we did in November 11, 2025. For number 3, this is the third week. The product is James Honey Wallet Jurim with a monthly quantity of 150 pieces. The customer is GCW, and the purchase order for November 25 is 120 pieces. The forecast is 150 pieces, and the realization is 150 pieces, and the balance is zero. The issue here is the delay delivery, and the action plan is daily production monitoring. The PIC is production and uh, due date in November 17, 2025. The next item is James Honey Solder Baklava with a monthly quantity of 200 pieces. The customer is SWK, and the purchase order for November 25 is 150 pieces. The forecast is 180 pieces, and the realization is 160 pieces, and the balance is minus 20, meaning the target was not reached. And the issue here is the delivery, and the action plan is option alternative delivery fleet, and PIC is logistic in due date in November 18, 2025. The next item is James Honey Mini Bakerina with a monthly quantity of 100 active pieces, and the customer is LSH. The purchase order for November 25 is 120 pieces. The forecast is 160 pieces, and the realization is 130 pieces, and the balance is minus 30, meaning the target was not reached. And the issue still delivery is delay delivery, and the action plan is accelerate negotiation of accessory supplier, and the PIC is purchasing, and we did in November 19, 2025. For number 4, this is the fourth week. The product is James Honey Fashion Satchel with monthly quantity for sorry with monthly quantity of 220 pieces, and the customer is FIP, and the purchase order for November 25 is 100 active pieces. The forecast is 220 pieces. The realization is 200 pieces, and the balance is minus 20, meaning the target was not reached, and issue is the delivery, and the action plan is production rescheduling, and the PIC is PPIC, and we did in November 26, 2025. The next item is James Honey Wallet Paris with a monthly quantity of 160 pieces. The customer is HBP. The purchase order for November 25 is 120 pieces, and forecast is 160 pieces, and the realization is 160 pieces, and the balance is zero. And the issue here is delay delivery, and the action plan is confirm purchase order with customer. The PIC is sales, and due date in November 27, 2025. The last item is James Honey Crush Body Bag Stella with a monthly quantity of 190 pieces. The customer is SKA. The purchase order for November 25 is 150 pieces, and the forecast is 119 pieces, and the realization is 170 pieces, and the main the balance is minus 20. The issue here is delay delivery, and the action plan is follow up fabric supplier, and the PIC is purchasing, and we did in November 28, 2025. After reviewing the weekly target and identifying the projects, delays, and corrective action, now we will move on to the second sheet, which is the achieve target. This is this sheet summarizes each product performance. Again, each target, we will look at how much each product achieved, whether the target was met, the reason why some target were not achieved, and the corrective action plan. Now let's go through the achieved target table from number 1. For number 1, the product is handbag Olivia. The target set for this product is 300 pieces. The actual achievement is 220 pieces, and the resulting in 73% achievement, meaning the target was not achieved. The issue identified is a delay delivery supplier, which caused the production output to fall short of the target, and the action plan is routine follow-up and lead time contract revision to ensure the action plan and revise the lead time contract with the supplier, and the PIC responsible is purchasing, and we did in November 5, 2025. For number 2, the product is backpack Elma. The target set for this product is 100 active pieces, and the also 100 active pieces resulting in 100% achievement, and the status for this product is achieved. Since the target is met and no issue is listed, the action plan is to maintain production consistency, to ensure continuous target achievement, and the PIC is production with a due date in November 6, 2025. For number 3, the product is sling bag Nala. The target is 200 pieces with an achievement of 160 pieces, giving 80% achievement, meaning the target was not achieved. The issue is a late packing process, which caused the slowdown in output, and the action plan is at warehouse and helper to speed up packing flow, and the PIC responsible is PPIC, and the due date in November 7, 2025. For number 4, the product is handbag Kaira. The the target is 200 80 pieces, but only unit were achieved, resulting in but only 220 pieces were achieved, and resulting in 79% achievement. The categories as not achieved. The issue is material delay affecting the delivery of materials of finished good. The action plan is supplier evaluation to prevent repeat delays. The PIC is purchasing and we did in November 10, 2025. For number 5, the product is tote bag Emma. The target is 320 pieces, but were only 270 pieces were achieved, and resulting in 84% achievement. Categories as not achieved, and the issue here is tracking delays, and the action plan is logistic rescheduling, and the PIC is logistic, divided in November 11, 2025. For number 6, the product is bucket baklava. The target is 260 pieces, while the achievement is 200 pieces, giving 77% achievement, and the status is not achieved. The issue reports is check up, check pile up, which slow down the QC process, and the action plan is at second shift QC, and the PIC is QC, and we did in November 12, 2025. For number 7, this is the product is wallet jewelry. The target is 150 pieces, and the achievement is 150 pieces, equal is 100% achievement. So the target was achieved, and the action plan is maintaining quality and production rhythm. The PAC is production, and we did in November 17, 2025. For number 8 is the product is solder baklava. The target is 200 pieces. Well, unit were achieved is 160 pieces, and giving 80% 80% achievement. So the target was not achieved, and the issue is a LED accessory supplier. The action plan is to find an alternative supplier to prevent future delays, and the PIC is processing, and we did in November 18, 2025. For number 9, the product is mini bag Raina. The target is 180 pieces. We well 130 pieces were achieved, and giving 72% achievement marked as not achieved. And the issue is long lead time. The To optimize lead time, the PIC is sorry the action plan is review purchasing SOP, and the PIC is purchasing the due date in 11/20/2025. For number 10, the product is fashion satchel, and the target is 220 pieces, and with an achievement of 200 and reaching in 91% achievement, but still categories as not achieved based on the set criteria. The issue is production takes too long, causing delays in output, completion and the action plan is to shift schedule overlap to increase production speed, and the PPAC and the due date in November 24, 2025. For number 11, the product is Wallet Paris. The target is 160 pieces, and the achievement is also 160 pieces, giving 100% achievement, meaning the target was achieved. This this action plan is maintain daily production, and the PAC is production due date in November 26, 2025. For number 12, the product is Crossbody Stella. The target is 190 pieces, and the achievement is 170 pieces, resulting in 89% achievement, which means the target was not achieved. The issue maintenance mention is that's fabric material coming in. The action plan is to increase daily supplier communication to avoid material delays, and the PIC is purchasing, and we did in November 28, 2025. To conclude today's review, we have gone through our weekly performance, identified the key issues, and outline clear action plan for improvement. HPIC has been assigned responsibilities and due date to ensure proper follow-up by strengthening communication, monitoring progress more closely, and ensuring timely execution. We can improve our achievement rate and prevent similar delays in the future. Thank you for your attention, and let's continue working together to achieve better results in the coming weeks.